Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLTF Tech channel. Today we are going to see how we can download and update our on-premise environment with latest cumulative updates. This is the URL where you can easily find Microsoft Dynamics. It's quite easy to search. All you need to do is to search on Google Microsoft Dynamics version 9.0 on-premise updates, and you will be redirected to Microsoft Dynamics site, in which Microsoft has a separate page in which cumulative updates are available. You know that latest updates are always important for on-premise environment to in order to get the latest security patches and bug fixes. So the latest update that is available is this one, and it has been released recently in July 2024, and it is for version 9.1. If you are using version 9.0, then here you can see that this is latest update that was available on November 2023, and that update was 0.51. And this update, if you click here you will see that the update contains security fixes, and these are also available in download center. So I have already installed this update, I have already downloaded the update in my this pattern, and I have already copied it into my on-premise environment. Now I'm going to double click it to install it. It is very easy that it will only be installed on the server end. Now after extracting the files, you can click on next and accept the license agreement, and you will click on install. After that it will take some time, after which your Dynamics 365 update 0.51 will be ready, and it will also resolve all the security and bug fixes that are included in this update. Okay viewers, here you can see that the Dynamics 365 server update 0.51 has been completed successfully. It has taken some hours because a lot of files were updated by Microsoft Dynamics update. Now we will finish it, and after that I'm going to restart the server as a better recommended practice. So here we go. I have logged in again into the interface of my Dynamics CRM. After the updates, here you can see that my new Dynamics 365 environment with the latest update is now available. Okay, if I go here and click on about, here you can see that my Microsoft Dynamics has been updated to the latest version, that is 9.0.51.06, with the database version this in an on-premise environment. Moreover, this is the same update, that is the latest update. Let me show you here. In version 9.0, the latest update that I installed is this one, and it is also the same one, that is 51.06. Okay, so now in this way you can update your Dynamics version 9.0 to the latest version by installing the update on your on-premise environment. So I thank you all for viewers for watching this video, and guys, subscribe my channel and enjoy watching more videos. I thank you all.